In 2024, I'm going to sell my own private label product on Amazon in the US. It's gonna be a cast iron bread pan like this one here. It's for baking the bread in the oven. So my bread pan is gonna have its own design. It's gonna be very similar to this one. It's going to be this type of a cloche with a lid. So I will need to pay for the mold, for the customized mold, to create a unique product to differentiate it from the competitors. As you can see here, all those products look quite generic. There is actually nothing significant that would catch your attention. All this looks quite generic, as you can see, and this product actually shows the packaging on the main image. But this packaging, there's nothing special about it. It looks quite boring. So my goal is to change it. I want to take an inspiration from this brand, which is Liquid Death. So they started selling water in this can with this skull logo, and it looks basically like a brand promoting some energy drink beverage that is unhealthy, but it's just a water, so it looks quite ridiculous. And they also created a story for their brand. And the main theme of this story is to bring death to plastic, because water is usually sold in plastic bottles and they started selling it in aluminum cans. So there's much less plastic produced. But over time they also released some new beverages, flavorful beverages like tea or whatever it is. They also created some funny video commercials. You can see on YouTube they have quite a lot of views. So yeah, they've made a very successful marketing, and this brand is worth millions of dollars. So I'm also planning on creating some sick looking illustration for my bread pan to make it standing out from all those generic looking products, so that when someone is scrolling, it should catch their eye immediately. That's my goal. So to create an illustration like that, you can simply hire someone on Fiverr. They will create whatever you will tell them. So when they will be creating this illustration for you, they might add something from their own concept. So this might positively surprise you or negatively, it depends. But for that reason, usually you are allowed for some revisions. So you can revise the product multiple times to receive the satisfying outcome. So that's how basically it all looks like. And to differentiate my product even more, I'm going to add some accessories. As you can see here, all these products don't include any accessories that could be used for the bread. This one have some. You can see here, this bread pan offers something more than just a pan, but they don't include a lot. I'm going to add some more accessories. So from what I would like to add would be, first of all, this proofing basket. So you put your dough in it and wait for it to rise. That's the use of it, I guess. And another accessory would be this pastry scraper, which is used to cut your dough to divide it into smaller pieces. Another accessory would be this one, Danish whisk, which is used to stir your dough, I guess. Another accessory would be this dough scoring knife, which is used to create various patterns on your bread. Like here you can see, it depends on your skills, but you can create whatever you want with this one. And another accessory might be this one, simply a bread bag for packing your sandwiches, for example. I'm still considering whether to add this product or not. I will first wait for the sample to arrive and then I will decide. And I also want to add some instruction or maybe even flashcards that would show all the patterns that you could create on the bread, and also they would explain more how to create all of that. So this could increase the perceivable value of my product even more. And all of this would definitely make it very unique on the market. No one is selling something like that currently. So there's quite a big demand for this type of product, for the bread pan. Under this keyword, This product generates over $900,000 per month, which is insane. So yeah, there is a lot of cake to bite from this. Obviously, it's easier said than done, but I have quite a lot of experience. I've previously launched my first private label product, so I know exactly what steps should I take to release another one. I am currently waiting for the samples from the manufacturers. I've ordered 2 samples, so this one costs over $140, very expensive. It's because the majority of this price consists of the shipping fee. As you can see here, the shipping fee is $87. Maybe it's because it's almost Christmas time. Maybe that's why they are so expensive. I don't know. It's quite pricey. And the second sample cost is over $130, also very expensive. So I'm waiting for them. One sample arrived at the customs house, and they informed me that the manufacturer, someone who sent this sample for me, needs to sign some document to confirm that this product, that the steel doesn't come from Russia, because my country, which is Poland, doesn't accept goods from the Russian country. So yeah, this sounds ridiculous, but it is what it is. They need to find some reasons to control it as much as possibly they can. So yeah, I sent this document to the Chinese manufacturer, they signed it, and everything is fine. Now I'm waiting for one sample, and the second one, I've ordered this, but it seems like the manufacturer yet didn't send it. It seems that they are slacking around. But if the sample won't arrive at the time, then I can simply require the refund from them. So yeah, everything should be on time anyway. So that's simply all I have to show in this video. So when I'll be launching this product on Amazon, I will create various videos, promotional videos, and this will require quite a lot of work, a lot of video editing skills, and most likely I will need someone who is specializing in video as well as in AI content creation, preferably some student, some 15-year-old kid who is just entering into this niche of video editing, who wants to gather some referrals to create more credible, more trustworthy business in the future, because I don't have thousands of dollars to spend on some professional. This product will require so much money, and yeah, I'm on a budget. Maybe I will find someone, because I know that together we can absolutely destroy it. If we build a strong team, we can kill it in the e-commerce sphere. And I'll be uploading soon more videos, and I will exactly explain what benefits you will have from working with me. So I will be looking for some willing individuals on LinkedIn and maybe some other websites like Fiverr. I will see. So yeah, that in this video, that's simply it.